Good morning. It's Wednesday morning. The windshield's filthy, I realize. But deal with it. We'll clean it when I leave the Dallas area. I have to stop and grab fuel as we head to Austin, so I'll do it then. Till then, we all have to deal with it. Just did my first delivery in Carrollton. Heading to my second one. Alright, we just grabbed fuel. Heading out to Austin. Maybe about half hour later than I thought. So I'm going to call them when I'm closer just to make sure it's only a half hour. Traffic can get dicey around there. But we should be good for time. And then we have two pickups, one tomorrow, one on Friday. One in Houston, the other one in another place. I can't remember where. Have to take a look where it is. Alright, we're here in Austin. Called and told I'd be a little bit later. He said no problem. So we'll get unloaded and head to Houston. Unloaded in Austin. So we're completely empty. We're going to go over to Houston. I have not been able to get a hold of the people where I pick up from, so I will call them first thing in the morning. And I don't expect it to be ready till the afternoon, so it's not a big deal. But this will be the time that they'll surprise me. It'll be ready first thing in the morning. So. Alright, it's the end of Wednesday. So we did our 3 deliveries, and we're just outside of half hour outside of Houston. So we'll give them a call in the morning and see what's shaking. Good morning. We are just leaving Waller, going to our pickup. Houston, so we're not too far away. Windshield's still clean. It's nice. No idea what that dude's doing. I don't think that dude does either. A lot of people just back up in high traffic areas where they should not back up. That's interesting. Super Trucker. Oh. He's aiming for the scale and he missed. That would explain it. Nope. He's using that as a lane. $100,000 scale, he's using it as a lane. Nope, he just didn't get on it properly, so he's backing up back on it. You know he's a super trucker because he wears his Bluetooth all the time on his head. Yep, yep. Alrighty. We are getting close-ish to our pickup. Just have to get on the Beltway frontage road. opposite service road, come back, because there's no entrance from the service road, obviously. I do like these turn thingies. They are useful. Just picked up our first pickup, and we're now going to find some parking, and we'll go to our second pickup in the morning. Got a hold of them, but not the right person there, and they, so I don't know when the load's going to be ready. They're just going to be there first thing in the morning. They open at 8, so pretty quiet day. Just came here, picked up, and then grab some parking, and we'll go first thing in the morning. Good morning. Just Friday. Just taking off from the J that we got to last night. We're gonna go do our final pickups. 6 skids, 12 feet, and then hammer down to Winnipeg. So, all right. So we're on the road for our pickup. Just to find them. Like an odd place for a chemical company, but still a little ways to go, I guess. Alright, we are loaded up. Threw the placards on quickly, and I was right in the way, so quickly did that and got the heck out of Dodge. We're now going to go back same way we came. Thanks. There's 2 school zones, so it doesn't say no dangerous goods, so I'm gonna go. Like, just assuming, but I don't see nothing telling me I can't. If I had a route that would take me through it, I would. But if I go back, I got lost. So if I go the same way I turn around, those are weight restrictions on those roads, so definitely don't want to go that way. Alright, so we're just going through Dallas, Fort Worth, kind of in between. We're going around Fort Worth, or around Dallas on Highway 408, sticking to the hazardous cargo routes. This says it's a hazardous cargo route, so I'm taking it. Up to the 35E, heading north. And then we are just hammering down. We're going to be delivering direct to Estevan, so we're not going through Emerson, which is disappointing. We're going through North Portal. Alright, we're just leaving Ardmore. I stopped, made some coffee. Just gonna do an end of day thing here because we're I don't know where I'm gonna get to tonight. I'm gonna get past Oklahoma City. I'm gonna get to somewhere in Kansas. Just see how I feel, and I have lots of hours left. So, all right. Good morning. It's Saturday, and we're in Heston, Kansas. So just 15 miles north of Newton, Kansas, which is all about 45 minutes north of Wichita. So my windshield's filthy. I'll have to deal with it. I could swing around there and clean them up. I might do that. Alright. Windshield's nice and clean so we all can see. It's always a good thing. here in Salina at the J. We just fueled. Just gonna wait till Sioux Falls. I probably had enough fuel to make it. I only have half tanks though, so had half tanks. It's a bit of a pull, but I'm pretty sure I could have made it. It's a bit away, so I don't want to risk it because I don't have another Flying J option before then. So this will get me all the way. I'm not sure when I'm going to cut across to go to Portal, North Dakota, whether I'm going to go across 90 on in Fargo or bang up to Grand Forks and then bang over. Probably Fargo, so I'll grab more fuel in Fargo. Probably be down to half tanks in Fargo. Well, just below half tanks. But I'm really under the weather. I don't know what it is this week, but the wife and kids were sick when I was in last time, but I didn't seem to have thought I caught their cold just at the end. But you know that feeling that you get just the night before the cold really kicks in, feeling the back of your throat and a little bit of your sinuses. I felt like that for like 3 days. It was weird. And my throat started killing me. Okay, we are hitting the edge of Sioux Falls. Getting a good day of driving in. We did quite a few miles yesterday. We did over 1,100K yesterday. So that was nice, and we're going to get, well, less than that tonight, though. Hoping to get to Fargo, see how I feel. Still under the weather. I was going to stop here for a shower, but I think I'm just going to keep going and grab a shower in Fargo. And then we'll cut across on the 94 tomorrow. And then take that west a little bit and then start heading up north to North Portal Crossing into Saskatchewan. It's been a boring day of driving through the prairie, so just a whole lot of corn through Nebraska and Kansas and so far in South Dak. Alright, good morning. It's Sunday. We're in Fargo. And just getting going. I took a shower. Got here late, so couldn't get going until late morning. And so we're gonna go hit the border. Just enough hours to get to the border, so. And then get to Estevan and try to find some sort of parking. I didn't get fuel today. I'll get tomorrow, and that'll be good. I can always grab. I can top up at the Husky and Estevan if I need. I'm running a little low. I can't get back to Winnipeg, but I think I can get the Headingley with the fuel I have, but we'll see. So I can always top up somewhere along the line. So I can always hit Portage. Brandon, they're close, so it's Estevan or Portage. So, but we're gonna get going. I just clean the windshield. We're going to take 94 straight out to Bismarck and then grab the 83 up to the border. And it's another hot one out. It's 33 degrees out. So, not fun at all. It's better than snow, so I'm not really going to complain all that much. Why are you going in through the exit only? Now why are you backing on the street? Why don't you go through the entrance? Rookies. I'm gonna eat the curb here. Big time. One of the nice things about Bluffs is they have an entrance and an exit for the most part, and they label them. Where Flying J, a lot of times they're using it. Sometimes TA, depending on where they are. Pilot Flying J, their lots getting in and out of usually screwed up. So this is an odd J here where there's labeled in and out. Most of the time it's the same entrance exit, which creates all sort of problems getting in and out at busy times, but the Bluffs is usually set up nicely. You get a couple of them that are all messed up when it comes to their layout. This is a good one. Exit only, enter only. Then you have some dude that does that. This is the whole thing up. Alright, we're just going through Bismarck. We hit Highway 83. Take that to Minot, North Dakota. And then hop on the 52. Don't know if we're going to cross today. Might stop in Minot if I can find parking. I can just get up early and not worry about having to find parking in wherever the hell I'm going. Estevan. We're rolling into Minot. I'm going to try to find parking. So apparently I have no idea where the truck stops are. Just sworn there was one. Main roads here. Must have hallucinated it. Alright, so this is unexpected. Flying J in Minot. I don't know where the other truck stops were. Never gonna get in there. They're all waiting there for a reason. Parking lot's all full up. Okay, so that's unfortunate. Alright, just doing a quick end of day. It's end of Sunday. So we stopped just a little truck stop. I don't even know what town I'm in, but have some parking just on Highway 52. We're gonna have to go find out where I am and call that a day. So we're just gonna get up early in the morning and go to Estevan. Good morning. It's Monday. Take off, go to our delivery in Estevan. Hit the border first, then do our delivery in Estevan, and then back to Winnipeg. Alright, we cross customs, North Coral, and we go to Estevan. Unloaded in Estevan. I took my placards off. And we're going to head back to Highway 18 and take that back to Manitoba to Highway something or other. I actually want to get to Highway 2 to go into Brandon. Go through that way. So, and then get to number 1 and then hit Winnipeg that way. But I want to find a place to pull over. I gotta make coffee. Coffee. Alright, we are in Brandon. My windshield's filthy, I know that. We're gonna clean it when we get fuel. I'm hoping to make it a Headingley. Maybe chicken out and do it in Portage. we're not going home today. Quick change of plans. It's Monday. They're swamped, so they asked if I was able to take a load, which works out really good for me because Monday coming back is kind of an odd day. Normally, from the long run, come back on the weekend. Coming in on Monday, it's an odd day. Need a couple days in, and then once we're at the end of the week, and could actually interfere with a long run on the weekend. So told them, well, I'm running up against my hours because I was. If I'm getting, you know, some back on my 8-day recap, I should be getting Canada, so I can go short, Minneapolis or Stoon or something. So, so yeah, so this works out really well. All right, trapped in traffic. My turn on Wall from Portage is construction, so could not turn there. That's awesome. And then I was going to go down and turn on, I can't remember what it's called, maybe by Maryland. So I turned out there, but it looked like there was construction, so I didn't get over, and with this traffic, I realized I could have turned. Yeah, so I kicked out all the way here onto Main Street, so I'm just going to flip around here in the Forks. Alright, when we make the turn here, to the Human Rights Museum, for those of you not from Winnipeg. Just got completed, I guess, a couple months ago, so huge frickin' money pit that's going to be for the city and province. But there it is. So we hooked up to our new trailer. Took a little break in the driver's lounge room. All right, we switched out trailers. Just leaving. So took a little break in the driver's room there. Wi-Fi connection. I'm in Canada, and I have a Verizon plan, so I don't get data in Canada. So I'm just checking out some emails and such. I was gonna make myself a coffee, and then I forgot. So it's okay. I'll stop in Brandon or Portage. I'm gonna burn up this daylight, so wait till it gets dark. We're leaving Portage, and I'm just doing end of day now. We're just gonna get to Regina tonight. Once the sun goes down, the GoPro doesn't catch anything anyway, so we will do our end of day right now. I'm not doing the middle of the night. Not middle of the night, but later. Just shut down in the dock and go to bed. And then tomorrow, once we're unloaded, we will see what they have going on to get me out of Regina. Good morning. We are unloaded in Regina. It's Tuesday morning. Yeah, so we're emptying Regina. We're just going back to the truck stop and waiting for instructions on what to do, whether we're getting a reload, when and what it is, where it is. Alrighty, we just leaving Regina. Made some coffee, got reload info, and we're going up to Brooksby, Saskatchewan. So that's up, we're going to take number 6 up past Melfort. Oh, up to Melfort, and then come across, just had a little bit east on Highway 3, and then we go north a little road into Star City. Actually, if you look at one of my earlier trip videos, I think trip 3 or 4, we go through Star City to Brooksby, and then down to Winkler. So we deliver direct tomorrow in Winkler, and then just head back to Winnipeg. Alright, we're coming to our turnoff. We go through Star City, Saskatchewan. About 10 miles up the road is Brooksby. Alright, so we're here. And Len Dubois Truck beat me here. So we're waiting for that guy. Boo, truck 92. Making me wait. Boo to you. Anyways. So we're going to wait here. It shouldn't be too long. And it'll be our turn. Alright, we are loaded. Windshield's dirty, I know. Happens on the prairies. Left a little bit. So now we're going to head down to Portage. Shut down there. I don't think I'm going to make it to Winkler tonight. It's kind of hoping, but then I got out of here a little bit later. So, alright, it's Wednesday morning. Now we're in Minnedosa at the rest area. And I cleaned off my windshield earlier, last night. So it's a little dirty, but not too bad. So we're gonna get going, go to Winkler, unload, and then drop this trailer at a client in Winnipeg, and then go home. Alright, we're on Highway 3, we're unloaded. So we're heading back up to Winnipeg. We dropped this trailer off at a regular client. Grab fuel at the Flying J and on Lage there by just by the overpass there. And then we go home till the weekend. Alright, we are going to stop and get some fuel. Getting back on to Lage Modier is going to be fun. But I didn't want to go all the way up to the Flying J on Route 90. So we'll deal with it. I'll probably end up going around the back way. Let's see if I can find one around here. So here's the card lock. And oh no, where's my trailer? We dropped it already. So. Filthy truck. Look at that. Ew. That's running through the prairies for you. There you go. Those mirrors push a lot of wind.